Marathon time in support of the foundation. Joe, first question to you. Can you come on what we do to the foundation?
So the foundation has been going for many, many years, and it's absolutely vital to be able to get that work across the community. The Night Light Tonight around that awareness feature is so important to us because whilst we're out there every day, looks at the rallies in East London and Essex, working with the communities, it's the odd thousand fans each time.
There's lots of race awareness going on tonight, and especially when you get a sense of what's happening tonight.
So there's lots going on before the game. And for me, this is all about unlocking the ability to spring. Basically, we want to do more work across East London, across Essex.